Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna do a small tiny harvest and I'm going to show you the little bit that I can show you because the driveway just got done this morning, so we can't walk in the driveways. So if you like watching these kind of videos, just keep on watching. Alright guys, so we check out the driveways. Well, one driveway, but here's the potatoes. I put more of the straw in there. I have my harvesting bowl with my pair of scissors. More potatoes, more potatoes. The potatoes are actually doing really good. Here is broccoli, and look, I got my first little broccoli head. Is that what you call it? Yes. Infestation everywhere still. You can see them in the soil. But check out the onions. They're growing. So I do need to probably put some neem oil. Here is the cabbage with more infestation. Here is the kale, which we're gonna harvest some of this kale. Okay, and I'm gonna take the bigger leaves, big leaves. Big leaves. Big leaves. The big baby leaves from the bottom. Maybe I'll make Mr. Campbell a smoothie later. But check it out, the onions from in here are growing as well. See the onion? You see the onion? You see the infestation? Yep. Alright. So here, all of these are still empty. Maybe next week we get to organize everything and separate some of these. So here are the tomatoes. I told you they'll survive. I mean, with this infestation I got going on, I'm not sure what's gonna happen. But check out the blueberries. Blueberry looks great. My one onion that I put with the asparagus to test is doing great. Here, actually we have a few that is growing in. These potatoes are doing great. Check out the strawberries. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 strawberries actually here. And we have none here. Looks like they're trying to grow, but nothing. And of course, my water is not connected. So I can't water my plants. Check out the garlic. It's doing great. It did rain this morning, so I'm hoping it got some kind of water. Check out the tomatoes on my winter sowing. They're doing great. The ones in here are doing great. So I'm hoping next week, once this driveway is done, we can at least continue this veggie garden the right way, right? So one of my containers is on the ground. Alrighty. Oh, and the green stalk. The green stalk is doing great. Check it out. I got to be able to hang the beans so it can actually climb up and do its thing. So check it out. Pretty sure it needs water. And then here's the second layer, which is sage. Nothing there. Basil is supposed to be there. A marigold. There is flies everywhere. Cilantro and kale. And the third layer, sage, carrots. These are not beets, radishes. The radishes are doing great. And I transplanted some and they did great. Parsley is doing great. Cilantro, still nothing. Marigold, rosemary, nothing. Carrots, nothing there, but I do see a seed. That's supposed to be thyme. This is more kale. And of course, I'm harvesting all this lettuce and all this spinach before it bolts. As you can see, some of it is too hot for it. So let's do this. Really? Put you in the shade. Looking up to the sky. Here you go. Ooh. I don't know what in the world was that. So I'm just gonna snip it away with the scissors. Snip, snip. I will clean it when I get inside. Infestation everywhere is sad. And there we go. That's it for the lettuce family and the spinach. Hello. What's up? Alright guys, so here we are. I can't water it, which totally sucks. I put more hay on these two potato pails, and I'm gonna put more dirt on these because I see some of them are still showing up a little bit. So I'm gonna grab some dirt from one of the red buckets and cover up some of this stuff that's still being shown. Also, here is the other bed of onions. So the bed of onions that I did is actually 1 2 3 4 across, and then 1 2 3 4 5 down. So that's 20 onions right there. This was also a test run on potatoes, but I don't see anything. And here is the whole entire harvest. So we're gonna leave it here. Alright guys, so it is a short video. Very sorry, thanks to the driveway. Also, I don't feel good today. Please pray for me. Like, my body aches. I have a massive headache. I feel sick. My eyes don't, yeah. People can tell by my eyes that I am sicky poo today. But, because that was my first husband question was, are you okay? And I'm having trouble breathing. So I don't know if it's the heat, because it is hot today. It's like 90 here. Let me see. It's actually 90. 78, 80. It's 80. So it could be the heat. Maybe I should just go back inside. But I haven't been feeling good since this morning. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Sorry that it was short. Next week should be longer because you guys, I will be recording, putting all this stuff back into the driveway. Very nice, very in order, the way we want it, by like tomatoes, the hot peppers, the, what else did I grow? Everything that I grew, and put them in order and make it all nice and pretty. So everything can be ready to go, maybe separated enough where the infestation will go away, I hope. And maybe because I have no water today, maybe the infestation will go away. I was told that if I don't water and leave it and let it dry out, hoping it don't kill my plants, it sort of kills the infestation. They have a very low life, but they're always constantly putting eggs in the soil, so I don't know how that works. But this afternoon when the sun goes down, I will be coming in and probably doing my neem oil again. Maybe I should do it like twice a day or something. I did buy a powder. It's not here yet. It gets here Wednesday. So maybe you guys can help me with the powder on Saturday once we put all the garden together. So I'm excited for that. I hope I feel better by then. So God bless. Give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will check you guys out next Saturday. Bye.